themes of the novel The Girl in Tangerine Scarf. So, as we know that this book is capture what it's like to grow up as an American Muslim, the author's attention to detail helps the capture the little idiosyncrasies and contradiction within the community and the struggles the American born have the confronting reconciling with immigrant Islam. Okay, we have discussed these lines, तो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो ये जो उनके इनका मतलब ये है कि जो क्लैशेस उनके दरमियान चल रहे हैं और ये सारी स्ट्रगल जो है वो अमेरिकन बॉन्ड्स की और वो क्या क्या फेस करते हैं विद इमिग्रेंट इस्लाम, तो ये सारा इसमें बताया गया है. The book also shows the problem and issues within the American Muslim community while नॉट डिमोनाइजिंग एनी ग्रुप पीपल. तो किसी माइनॉरिटी या किसी सुपीरियॉरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स में डाले बिना जो रियल अमेरिकन मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको एक्सप्लोर किया गया है इस नावल में. द बुक वर्क्स थ्रू खादरा's लाइफ एंड थ्रू दैट शोज़ मैनी डाइवर्स फॉर्म ऑफ मुस्लिम बिलीव्स, showing how Islam is not monolithic intuition but like many religion has its different sects and more conservative and liberal strain that don't always agree with one another. Women in Islam, the trouble between Sunni and Shiites, racism within the faith, international politics, American perception of Muslim culture, assimilation, immigration, and love are some of the important themes. It also deftly explored the experience of being too foreign for America but too American to go anywhere else, and looks at how one woman navigates these forces and works to make of her life what she wants to. Khadra's struggle with women roles in Islam, sometimes finding traditional comfortable and upright and other times clashing with them and seeing them as limiting or unfair. So Khadra wearing or not wearing the hijab is a symbol of her personal and religious growth and identity. ठीक है, तो ये इसका थीम था इस नावल का, एक मतलब ओवरऑल थीम. तो आगे है द मेजर करेक्टर खादरा. इसी के गिर्द जो है वो सारी स्टोरी घूमती रहती है. शी इज़ द प्रोटैगनिस्ट एंड खादरा रिमेन्स अ डिवोट मुस्लिम वुमेन थ्रू आउट. तो वो एक पक्की मुस्लिम जो है वो प्रूव होती है पूरे नावल में. शी कीप्स हर हिजाब बिकॉज इट मेक्स हर फील सेफर एंड मोर फ्री फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बट हर practice of Islam becomes less narrow-minded and ritual bound. She sees the forest of the trees. Khadra could have closed herself off entirely and stayed firmly within the bounds as she had been taught by the parents and community, but instead she takes a spiritual journey and becomes true to herself while still having an open heart for others. तो वो अपना जो पर्दा वगैरह है जो इस्लाम को वो फॉलो करती है उसको वो एक साइड पे ही रखती है हमेशा. ठीक है, उसमें वो लाइक अदर्स को वो इंटरफेयर नहीं करना चाहती और वो इसी जर्नी को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए वो जो है वो क्या उसको कहते हैं स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी जो है वो स्टार्ट कर लेती है अपना. ठीक है, while Khadra is not always the lovable, do no wrong protagonist, she come across as a real human. तो जिस तरह एक रियल ह्यूमन के साथ जो मुश्किलात आती हैं वैसे ही हम इसकी लाइफ में देखते हैं. Khadra's growth as a person through her multiple identities as a woman, an Arab, a Muslim, an American, a student, a daughter, a sister, a friend, and so on, highlights the complexities that entangle first-generation Americans who are caught in an East-State divide. They must navigate for themselves and create a space that did not previously exist. The novel sets Khadra's expectation of the world against its actual realities, but both the readers and Khadra walk away changed and perhaps for the better. So, her story is one of identity, feminism, faith, and reconciliation. So, this was brief introduction of the character खादरा शामे. उसका पूरा नाम खादरा शामे है. आगे है काफका कह रही हूँ. मौजा कहाब्स राइटिंग स्टाइल. Kahf uses beautiful prose to tell the story of Khadra's growth and change in her faith, starting with her fundamentalist upbringing in Indiana through a disastrous marriage and to streets of Damascus. ये एक बहुत अच्छी एक प्रोज लिखी है कहफ ने. कहफ मूव्स एफर्टलेसली फ्रॉम थर्ड पर्सन नरेशन टू स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस फ्रॉम खादरास पर्सपेक्टिव. तो इसमें स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस भी है, इसमें थर्ड पर्सन नरेशन भी है. तो जो खादरा के पर्सपेक्टिव से दिखाई गई है. The American reader is not supposed to feel fully comfortable with the way the novel is written, just as Khadra doesn't feel fully accepted or at home amongst her schoolmates. It feels like it reinforced her overall feeling of being a Muslim, being Syrian, and yet being American, and having to deal with the conflicting membership of loyalties between those identities. So this was the major thing.